Assalamualaikum dear student, Roma here. I hope you will be fine. Starting new topic, open your index, write the date beside your second topic, kinds of noun and noun exercise. I would like to revise last topic like common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun, countable noun, uncountable noun, material or concrete noun. As I said last video, we know common noun means general, not particular, like a person, place, thing, animal or fruit. But now I am going to discuss proper noun. Proper noun is the name of some particular person, place or thing. There is another definitions. Proper noun are used to name a specific or individual, maybe person, place or thing. Here are some rules of proper noun. Proper noun is always written with the capital letter at the beginning. The names of the days of the week, months, historical documents, institution, religions and their holy texts are proper noun. Example: Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan. Number 2, Sunday comes after Saturday. Islamabad and Pakistan, Sunday and Saturday are proper noun. On the other side, you can understand like this: John, a specific name of person. London, a specific name of city. France, a specific name of country. Are you getting this? The third type of noun is collective noun. A collective noun is a noun naming a group of person, animals or things. Example: a class, collection of students. So many students are in the class, that is called the class. An army, collection of soldiers. Many soldiers are called an army. A name is given to group of people, collective noun or the same kind regarded as a single unit is called collective noun. Dear student, are you getting? Revise this topic again. This is the collective noun. I want to explain again in the sense of group. A collective noun is a noun naming a group of person, animals or thing. Noun is abstract noun. Abstract noun is a name that is given to a quality, state, feeling or emotion is called an abstract noun. An abstract noun cannot be touched. Here are some examples. Some abstract noun here: goodness, darkness, honesty, wisdom, kindness. This is the quality. Hatred, judgment, laughter, movement, theft. This is the action. Poverty, sickness, youth, childhood, death. This is the state. These are called the abstract noun. On the other example, we can see the length of the rope had to be 5 centimeter. Where is abstract noun? Length is a abstract noun. Number 2, wisdom cannot be bought. Wisdom is abstract noun. Number 3, every parent should ensure the safety of their children. Safety is abstract noun. Now abstract noun is over. Number 5th noun is countable noun. A noun we can counted, have a singular and plural and can be used with number or and before it. Other side you can understand like here. A countable noun is the name of things which we can count. Example: pen, car, book, apple, doctor, teacher, etc. Number like a 1, 2, 3,000. This is the countable noun. Now after then we will start the uncountable noun. A uncountable noun is the name of object or people that we cannot count. Example: cheese, gold, milk, sugar, rain. They often refer to substance, liquid and abstract idea. Now the last type of noun is material or concrete noun. A concrete name of material or substance of which the things are made of is called material noun, as coal, milk, sugar, iron, gold, silver, cement. These are the substance that can make many things of these substance. You can make many things like a milk, sugar, curd, ice cream, sweet dish. This is called the material and countable noun. The types of nouns are or. Now for further explanation, I will explain you about these types of with the help of exercise number 1, which is on page number 3. In this exercise, you have distinguished between proper noun and noun. Here are the exercise number 1 on page number 3. The question is underline nouns and circle proper. In this sentence, where is the nouns and where is the proper noun? Number 1 sentence, there is a book on the table. Underline book and table. Number 2, our class consists of 30 students. Where is the noun? Class and students. Number 3, I like to drink milk. Milk is noun. You should be underlined. Number 4, underline tree and mangoes because these are the noun. Number 5, she gave me a gift. Gift is the noun. Number 6, the soldiers are marching. Soldiers are noun. Number 7, how is your father? Father is noun. Number 8, wisdom is better than strength. Wisdom and strength are nouns. Number 9, we all love Pakistan. Pakistan is proper noun. You can circle. Number 10, our team is better than their. Teams mean noun. 11, there is no happiness without health. Happiness and health are noun. Number 12, never tell a lie. Lie is a noun. Number 13, Sindh lies in the valley of Mehran. Sindh and Mehran are proper noun. You should circle. Number 14, underline ship and harbor. In the sentence you can see, I saw a ship in the harbor. Number 15, the people is studying English. English is proper noun. You can circle. Number 16, teacher and innocence. Underline the noun where teacher and innocence. In the sentence is teacher believes in his innocence. Where is the noun? Teacher and innocence. Number 17, lion is the king of forest. Lion, king, forest are Noun, it means underline. 18. Where is your bag? Bag is noun. Always speak the truth. Truth is noun. 20. Number, Mr. Akhtar is going to Swat. Where is proper noun? Mr. Akhtar is a specific person, is going to Swat is a specific place. I hope you will be understand. You can revise again and again. This is a very easy and you will enjoy it very, very easily. Dear student, now you can see the exercise number 2. Make sentence having a nouns. In next exercise number 2, in which you should make the sentence having nouns, but I will help you in a first 8 sentence. The rest of the sentence will your homework you can do in yourself with the help of noun explanation. Here are some sentences having noun. This is a book. Book is noun. Her name is Alia. Alia is noun. It is my favorite pen. Pen is noun. That is a ball. Ball is noun. I have a pen. Pen is noun. I go to the park. Park is noun. She likes to eat pizza. Pizza is noun. I like Lahore. Lahore is noun. Here are some small and very easy sentence for you. Now you can next 9 to 16 sentence you can make in yourself a small sentence of noun. I hope you will understand. If you have any doubt, you may ask in my comment section. I will try my best. Till then, Allah Hafiz.